With only 3 tablespoons a day, you will lose belly fat. If you start typing "how to" in your Google search bar, how to lose belly fat will be one of the top suggestions. Google knows at least 4,270,000 answers to this question. If belly fat is something you want to say goodbye to, you have probably tried many of the suggested ways to do it. Morning runs, daily workouts at the gym. Okay, maybe it's more like 3 times a week. Cardio? Checked. Dieting and carrying plastic containers with you filled with lettuce, kale, and broccoli to eat healthy every 3 hours? Checked. No food before bed. Or was it after 6? Yes, hunger-fighting tricks like drinking gallons of water and extensively using olive oil? Been there, done that. If none of the above seems to be helpful in your fight against belly fat, we have something else just for you. Brightside has found a 2-ingredient recipe of a drink which will help you lose belly fat with only 3 tablespoons a day. Sounds intriguing? Then give this video a thumbs up and get ready to find out the secret we all want to know. First off, let us try to understand why so many people are willing to spend their time and money to get rid of belly fat. 2017 statistics data from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services shows that 91% of women in the U.S. are unhappy with their bodies and choose to diet. Over half of college-aged girls feel pressured to get to a certain weight limit. Finally, and this is pretty shocking, 42% of girls in 1st through 3rd grade believe they have extra weight and want to lose it. Are you one of those people that believe they have extra weight to lose? It is okay to admit it. Click thumbs up to let us know. And what makes them, or better say us, see extra weight as our worst enemy? In many cases, media is the answer. Slim people smile at us from the TV screen and magazines as they manage to work harder, be successful and strong and popular. Being fat is often seen as being lazy, unsuccessful, and having not enough willpower. These stereotypes are so strong in some people, they make others around them believe the same thing. However, it is not only a matter of perception or fashion, it is also a matter of health. If you have many extra pounds, you are more likely to develop a whole lot of health problems, not only physiological, but also psychological and reproductive, for instance. More serious health conditions the extra weight can cause are heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. For those who are concerned with their looks and for those who are concerned with their health, we are happy to offer a solution. With 3 tablespoons a day of this drink, you are going to lose belly fat and lower your cholesterol level. So, the first ingredient in our drink will be garlic. Yes, that stinking rose we add to our food to spice it up and use to chase off colds and vampires. It has been believed to have medical properties for thousands of years. The very famous ancient Greek physician Hippocrates used to describe garlic as treatment of many medical conditions. What can garlic help you with? Well, with a variety of things. Garlic is very rich in antioxidants, which are important for our good health and can help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia and lower the risk of heart disease, and also fight acne. Garlic can combat common cold, improve your bone health, and make your hair thicker when used as a hair mask. Garlic is very nutritious but has very few calories in it. Today, it comes in many forms, from whole cloves to powders and pastes, and garlic extract and oil. How much of it do you need for therapeutic effects? At least 1 clove with meals, 2 or 3 times a day. The second ingredient in our drink is said to have originated from the Caucasus and Iran around 6000 BC. It is made out of grapes and something many dinner parties wouldn't go without. Yes, we are talking about red wine. Whoever told you alcohol was super bad for your health, he was not 100% right. When taken in moderate amounts, about 3 glasses a week, red wine can actually do you good. Like garlic, it can help you lower your cholesterol, which is important to protect your heart. It also fights off cold and helps protect your skin from the effects of UV. The skin of red grapes is a natural source of resveratrol and can help control your blood sugar, boost your brain and memory, and even slow the aging process and prolong your life. Oh, and it reduces the risk of developing depression. Again, it will only work if you take it in moderate amounts. Both ingredients in our secret drink can help you control your cholesterol level. Why does it matter? When the level of cholesterol in your body rises, so does the risk to your health. Cholesterol circulates in your blood and comes from two sources. Your body itself, or the liver to be more precise, makes the right amount of cholesterol for you. The rest you get with your food. Meat, poultry, and full-fat dairy products have cholesterol in them, as well as trans fat. Because of these fats in your body, your liver has to make more cholesterol than you need. High cholesterol gives you a higher risk of coronary heart disease, heart attacks, and stroke. The risk will get higher if you have other risk factors like smoking, high blood pressure, and diabetes. The good news is you can control your cholesterol levels. So, if both garlic and red wine are so amazing by themselves, what will happen if you put them together? You will get a super powerful drink, which can help you lose belly fat and lower your cholesterol levels. It will clean your blood, boost your immune system, accelerate metabolism, and help you burn fat at a dream speed. You are going to need 12 garlic cloves and 16 fluid ounces of red wine. All you have to do is peel and finely cut the cloves, then put them in a glass jar and pour the wine in. Close the jar and leave it in the sun for 2 weeks. As you wait patiently for 2 weeks, occasionally shake the jar. When the time is out, strain the mix and pour the wine in a dark glass bottle. Voila! Your magical drink is ready. Take a tablespoon of the remedy 3 times a day for 1 month. Repeat this whole process after 6 months and enjoy the amazing effect it has on you. By the way, if you don't like or can't take alcohol, try adding water to the mix instead of wine. Your body will say thank you, and your friends will ask you to share your new diet plan or workout routine as they will want the same result. Do you have your own secret easy recipe to lose belly fat? Feel free to share them in the comments. And don't forget to share about what effect this drink has had on you. If you found this video interesting and useful, give it a like. We are going to share more easy-to-make fat-fighting recipes if this video gets 50,000 likes. Subscribe to our channel not to miss it.